Hello dear students, a very good morning. Today we have a topic of letter writing from writing section. It carries 8 to 10 marks in your examination. So there is a very short description about the letters. Firstly we will read it and know about how to write a letter. Letter writing is an idea to express one's views or giving news to another. Really, letters provide various purposes and play an important role as medium of actions of thoughts, views, wishes, greetings and news. It reveals the potential of the writer. A good letter is a packet of all essential contents that requires for writing well. Always keep in mind while writing an ideal letter where we should use fact material of writing, polite words and appropriate mannerism. So let's learn how to write a letter. Yes, dear students, there is a classification of letters. Personal letter, that is also called the informal letter. Official letter, that is also called the formal letter. Students, we have a major hints to know about an ideal letter. Various parts of an ideal letter are given as follows. Number 1 is here given the heading. It shows the place where the letter has been written. The sender's address is given at the top of left hand corner in the notebook page. The current date follows next. Example for 4 March with the year. Second is salutation. Salutation means here the manner where the receiver is addressed depend upon the kind of letter. In formal letter writing, oftenly dear sir / ma'am or sir, madam, and in informal writing dear or dearest by name of relative or friends. My dear students, we have also given here a note to understand more about the letters. So address of receiver and designation should be written in case of official letter / personal letter having saluted. Number 3 is here a body of the letter. This is very important thing in letter writing. It shows the major material of the letter. Formal letter is written in formal manner and tone, while informal letters are written in conversational mode of writing. And the division of paragraph shows that the first paragraph as the introduction and the second provides the cause or reason for writing the letter, and third is the clear conclusion. Except above, if we want to say something more, a new paragraph can be added. Number 4 is here subject. That is also mentioned in official letters mainly, that highlight the major motto or purpose behind writing the letter is mentioned below the receiver's address on the left hand side. Yes, my dear students, number 5 is complimentary clause or subscription. This appears at the left hand side below the last line of the body of letter. It should be polite or humble. Before the letter ends, it can be like this form: yours sincerely, yours truly, yours lovingly, yours faithfully. Number 6 is signature. Signature of the writer is given just below the subscription at the bottom left hand side. Number 7 is here. Receiver's designation and address is given below the heading on the left hand side of the letter. Yes, my dear students, as we have given 7 points for making an ideal letter, we should know about it. So read this and watch this video once and twice for better understanding. And I'll give you its exercise task also in next notes, or I will also give examples of several letters, especially formal and informal letters, in next videos. Till then, thank you very much. Live at home and take care of your health. Thank you very much.